Oh yeah, this is Logic on steroids. I'm happy to see y'all back over here. Yo, I got something for y'all. But before that, yo, I am trying to hit 10,000 subscribers by March 2026. Please hit subscribe. Oh, did I say it wrong? Please hit subscribe. It's hard to listen to myself with these headphones on. Hit the like on the video. And if you want to hear the video without my commentary, you want to watch it without my graphics, hit this top card right here. Bam! Hit that. That's the original video right there, right? We're going to get right into this crazy video right here. It's dealing with domestic violence and some dude doing something to the cops. You'll see it. Let's go.
Are you ready?
On July 30th, 2024, in Stoughton, Wisconsin, officers were dispatched to the report of a male, Anthony, being violent with a woman, later known to be his girlfriend, on an apartment balcony. Officers responded in an emergency manner.
I wonder why cops be knocking like that. Y'all making people throw the dope in the toilet. Give it a soft, nice knock, and they might not even throw the dope nowhere. You can catch them with the dope.
Why the f you beating on my door, dude?
Because you didn't answer the door when I knocked.
Okay, I'm answering now. What's up?
All right.
Time out! Hold up! Flag on the play! We're reviewing footage to see if the shit on top of an ice cream truck is appropriate to be worn for this setting, and guess what? She's safe at home, not at Walmart.
We got a call about somebody getting beaten up here.
No, she walked right out. That's a bad sign right there.
Move. Move your hip. Come on. That's it.
She walked out. Like, she didn't stay behind him. She walked out.
Up here.
Yeah, he hit me in my face.
Okay.
Oh, it's over.
All right. Hold on. Why don't you step over there and talk with my partner? Why don't you tell me what's going on from your side? Can I come in and talk to you?
She said what she said.
I don't want him in my house.
This is your
I'm gonna
house?
tell y'all something, man. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't trying to be rude, but y'all can guess what I'm saying this. But he just needed a place to stay. He just needed a place to stay.
Okay, let's do this way.
I don't want him here. He gotta go.
All right.
So you
Let's step outside.
So you can lie like that, guy?
Look at my face.
What? Look at your face, man. Erica, like for real, bro.
Go ahead and shut the door. Go ahead and shut the door.
It like he ain't finished either.
Bro, come
Stop.
on, bro, for real, bro.
Stop or you're gonna go in handcuffs.
I'm fucked, bro, come on, bro. Bro, look at me. Come on, bro.
Yo, I got no doubt in my mind that she's telling the truth.
Let's put up the crazy clock!
Come on, Erica. Erica, come on.
Stop.
I don't care.
Stop resisting.
Erica, come on.
Stop resisting.
Bro, look at me, bro. You sure you want some of my kids like this?
Are you ready?
Damn. He just attacked the cop. Damn. But he got away.
He just jumped off
the
third story ledge after punching me in the face.
hold up.
He just jumped off the third story ledge after punching
The third
me
story
in the face.
after punching him in the face. Damn.
Just stay here, keep the doors closed. Somebody will be back with you.
It wasn't the two cops.
Which way to go? Okay, grab a car. I'm gonna see if I can spot him on foot. I
Okay,
won't
yes,
catch
it
him,
will.
but
Additional officers would arrive on scene to aid the search for Anthony, but it was ultimately unsuccessful. An officer then returned to the apartment to interview his girlfriend, who stated the fight began when she told Anthony she no longer wanted his children that did not belong to her at her apartment. Anthony had been drinking at the time and became verbally and physically aggressive in response. Later that day, the police department received a report that Anthony had returned, leading to the following altercation.
Damn. So he was living with her, with his kids. That's unheard of. It's usually the other way around. The girl live with you with her kids.
Gotcha, bitch. Get on the ground right now. All right, bro. Right now. Hands behind your back. I'm tired of running. I'm not gonna lie. I've been drinking, officer.
It's alright, man.
I've been drinking, man.
You got anything on you, man?
No, I don't have anything, bro.
Okay. Are you hurt?
No, man.
Okay. Your legs don't hurt or anything?
No. I just been drinking, bro. I've been drinking like a mother, bro.
Anything on you, man?
No, bro. I don't have anything, bro. I just been drinking heavily, bro. Okay. If you can smell the liquor on me, gang.
Alright. I'll put your knee there.
Like, I don't know. I don't remember anything after that, gang. I swear to God. I don't remember.
But that don't take away the shit you gotta face after punching him in the face. Just because you was drinking, that don't give an excuse.
Are you hurt at all? You jumped from the third floor.
I don't remember that. I've been drinking, bro. Like, you can smell it.
So nothing hurts on you?
No.
Okay. No, take him to the hospital.
That's why he made that jump. Because when you drink, you kind of numb to pain a little bit.
Double lock these so they don't hang up on
I'm not hurt, officer. I'm not hurt, officers. How you feeling, man?
I'm alright.
All right.
Why'd you ask?
Huh?
I said, why'd you ask?
Because you was just running very heavy. You breathing kind of hard. Out of
Nah, nigga, you answered that because you punched him in the face.
Hard.
I gotta haul a little more weight around when I run than you do.
Oh, yeah.
You got anything in this pocket, man? What's with this guy here?
I don't have anything,
just a
bro.
tag?
Trust me. I'm not, bro.
All right.
I'm really a family man, bro. Like, I got too drunk, bro, and that's it, bro. I really just got too drunk. You can smell the alcohol on my breath.
Yep. What you been drinking? We'll go this way.
Patron, bro.
Patron?
I've been
Tequila,
mixing.
huh?
Yeah, I've been mixing.
Oh.
You know.
Tequila is one of the strongest alcohols ever. I think the strongest one ever is a Haitian drink called Baba Court. That's how I pronounce it in English. Or in Creole, it's Baba Cool. You know what I mean? It's 5-star rum. Y'all don't want that.
You know that devil, bro. Come on, man.
I know that ain't cheap.
Exactly, bro. Like, I ain't, man.
You jump from the top up there, dude?
Man, look at me, man. Don't you see me? Look at me, man. Don't you see me,
What'd you
man?
land on? I wasn't here.
These. Look.
On both. Don't do that. All right,
Look
just
at
walk.
that. Come on, man.
Normal, man.
Oh, it's 2 feet.
Come on, man. This some life, man.
That's a long ways up. Look at that.
Damn.
I just want to see.
Y'all see how high the third floor is? He jumped from the top of the rail on the third floor down to the ground. Be baby glad it's nothing but grass down
I
there.
understand, like, why she lie on me like that, man.
Come on, man.
But I just made it worse.
And she ain't lie.
I'm not gonna lie. I'm drunk as hell, man. I'm drunk.
Not illegal to be drunk, right?
Nigga, you punched the cop. So that means you'll punch anybody else.
I'm drunk, bro. Don't you see this heat, bro? Like, come on, man. I'm drunk, man. Don't you smell the liquor on my breath, bro?
I do.
I'm drunk, bro. Like, anything I did before this, bro, like, I didn't mean to. I'm drunk. I'm drunk, bro.
You got no pain though, they're saying? What you're saying?
I probably got a little pain in my right ankle, bro, but that's it. But I'm
Right
just,
ankle?
I'm just drunk.
Yeah, but that, I'm not trying to shine you, but what,
Right here, bro. You can see in my eyes, bro. I am drunk, bro.
I understand.
Bro, so anything I done did prior to this, bro, I am drunk. It's just mixed emotions, bro. Like, I'm not a bad guy, bro.
That's all stuff we report.
Once you see my record, bro, you can see I haven't been in trouble in so long. I'm just drunk. I'm not.
If being drunk it should be a slap on the wrist for whatever you've done while you were drunk, then that means everybody's gonna be drinking. And nobody had to take accountability for their stupid actions when they're drunk.
The drinker, bro.
Drinking and driving is number one.
I'm not.
Why are you drinking tonight then?
I got personal issues, bro. I swear to God, bro. I got personal problems, bro. Like,
We're gonna talk about all that, okay? He's gonna reach around. Just go ahead and look at me. The end, man. Go ahead and look
I'm
at me,
drunk,
okay?
bro. Look in my eyes, bro. Like, I've been drinking.
Your foot.
I don't even know how y'all didn't catch me the first time. I'm drunk as
I wasn't out here, but I'm not fast anyways.
I'm drunk,
I'll be
bro.
honest with you.
I'm drunk.
So your ankle kind of hurts,
It
your right
kinda
ankle,
hurts, bro. It kinda
and
hurts,
you're drunk, so it might hurt more than it kind of. But right
I'm
now
drunk,
it's
so
only
if I sell up, bro, it might. I don't know. Right now, I'm just drunk.
Nah, he gonna feel that pain tomorrow.
Sounds good, man.
Contrary to his claims, Anthony did not in fact have a clean record, having been caught and convicted driving with a revoked license 4 days prior. Anthony was then transported to the hospital for medical clearance, where he was further uncooperative and disruptive, before finally being booked into the Dane County Jail. He was charged with battery with a domestic assessment modifier, battery to a law enforcement officer, and resisting an officer causing substantial bodily harm. However, he only was found guilty on 1 count of resisting or obstructing an officer. He was sentenced to 60 days in the local jail and had to pay more than $360.
Yo, in his defense though, he never said he had a clean record. He said that he didn't been in trouble for so long. All right, so just to clean that up. And but he did have a place to stay. See, you ain't had to worry about nothing. You did 60 days in jail. Ta-da. Yo, yo, check out this channel right here. They're the ones that provided this video. Thanks to them, we can watch this video and enjoy it at the same time and learn some educational stuff. You know what I mean? And go ahead and subscribe to Logic on Steroids. Please subscribe to my channel. Let's get 10,000 subscribers before 2026 March. All right, love y'all. Got more videos to come. Peace. Oh, check out my shorts. I got Crazy Clock shorts. I got the Crazy Clock shorts. Please check them out. Yeah.